Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are reviewing XDEFI wallet, also known as CTRL wallet, which is a multi-chain crypto wallet that is designed for seamless DeFi, NFT and Web3 experiences. So if you are exploring options for secure and versatile crypto management in 2025, this review will cover all you need to know about this wallet. So without further delay, let's jump right in. So the Ctrl Wallet or CTRL wallet is a non-custodial multi-chain wallet that is designed to provide users with secure access to their cryptocurrencies, NFTs and decentralized applications. It is known for its fast transactions and multi-chain support. XDEFI wallet aims to be an all-in-one tool for Web3 users. Now let's talk about some of its features and pros. So this wallet supports over 34 blockchains, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, and more. So it is ideal for users who manage diverse crypto portfolios. The wallet also offers the built-in NFT management, allowing you to view and trade NFTs directly within the application. This wallet also provides the smooth access to the DeFi protocols, enabling you to swap, stake, and provide liquidity across different blockchains. This wallet is also designed with the gas fees optimization, ensuring that you can transact quickly and at competitive cost. The wallet is also available in the browser extension and a mobile application for iOS and Android, ensuring a consistent experience across devices. The Ctrl Wallet prioritizes your security with features like the non-custodial key management and encrypted backups, so you are always in control of your funds. So these were some of the pros or the features of this wallet. Now let's talk about some of its cons. So it is not ideal for beginners who are unfamiliar with the multi-chain systems, and the advanced features may be overwhelming for simple crypto storage needs. If you want to get started with this wallet, I will create a detailed tutorial on this topic, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. So in a nutshell, if I talk about the Ctrl Wallet, so it is a powerful choice for the Web3 enthusiasts who need a versatile tool for managing their cryptocurrencies, NFTs and DeFi activities across the multiple chains. Its speed, security and wide-ranging features make it a top contender in 2025. However, if you are new to crypto or only need basic functionality, you may want to explore similar alternatives. And for alternatives, you can also explore my channel, because I have created a series of videos in which I have reviewed different wallets available out there. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.